Mabuhay! Welcome to my channel. You're here with Giga Kathy. So today I'm gonna do a comparison of the IPSY Glambag versus the Allure Beauty Box. I do spoiler videos for BoxyCharm and IPSY, and also, you know, unboxing those boxes, monthly boxes that I get, and I do unboxing of other subscriptions as well. So if that's something that interests you, please do consider to subscribe. Let's start. First of all, I want to say the IPSY is $12. The Allure Beauty Box is $15. It's been actually a while since I stopped my subscription from Allure, but I wanted to try it out again. This side, it's gonna be the IPSY. If you've seen my spoiler there, so this might not be, you know, as new to you. They do give you a card to tell you exactly how much it's supposed to be. Nowadays, that's why I grabbed the Glambag for IPSY, is because they've been upping up their game. A lot of these are not only sample sizes. They do give a little more actual size now. If you've never seen the IPSY always give you a Glambag. They always give you a little bag. Oh, for the Allure, it comes in an actual box, and they also give you a catalog. Their catalog, I think, is more fancier because it actually looks like a page by page rather than just a one page cards, like more editorial, you know, stuff. So for the IPSY Glambag, I did get 5 products. It should be on your screen. The first one is from Koki. It's an illuminating concealer, Deep Bright Illuminating Concealer. Guys, this is actually a full size. This one is the blush from Kaleido Cosmetics. It's in Prima Donna, and this is also a full size. That's amazing. The next one is a Nomad from Nomad. This is an eyeshadow, so this is a deluxe sample size. And then I did get another deluxe sample size again, and this is from Aromatica. It's a juicy cream, so it's like a moisturizer. Ooh, okay, thank God it's a moisturizer. Anyways, lastly, I did get a brush. This is the one I'm more excited. I always love getting brush from my IPSY. This is from China Bee, and this is a blush brush. Pretty soft. So everything is actually supposed to be valued at 50 plus. So the first one is 8 plus 8. Well, you can't really count the deluxe sample. So the full size, so 3 of them are like the full sizes, which is considered as 8, 16 plus 23. 39. So that's $39 worth plus the deluxe samples. At least that's $39. Think about it. This is a $12 bag. Let's move on and go to Allure. So in Allure boxes, so you know what's funny? When I was subscribed to this before, I don't remember when was it, but they actually randomly select people to get like a sample. It's not even in the box. Like, I got a La Mer sample before. It was like a moisturizing cream. So that's the one thing that's why I kind of want to do the Allure box too, because sometimes they do get, like, you know how the BoxyCharm got like a Fenty invasion type of thing. Sometimes Allure does that too. So the first one they have on the catalog is the mascara. It's from, how do you say, Rodeo Glamolash Mascara. It's a full size. Full size. Wow. And this is The price for that is $28. Girl, that's just one. Let's see if the IPSY is even gonna win for this thing. Okay, the second one is two Momond in here. One rose water toner and the other one is a serum. Let's see. I guess you only get one. I did get the rose water toner, and that's a sample, I believe. But it does have a price in here. It says $16.10, so it might, I don't know, might be a travel size or something. I'm not sure. An Urban Decay pencil. It's the Glide On pencil in 0. I think this is more of like the sample size, but still Urban Decay. This is a pretty decent size. So next one is the Lou. I don't know if that's how you say it, but what is this? Look, Lou. It looks like a full size. This is $15. This is an erase, cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder. Huh. That is weird. But that's supposed to be $15. Okay, now I got a full size of floss. No, the brand name is Floss, but it is actually a lip gloss, and this is $16. So this is the full size, so that's amazing. And okay, I see what they did here. So I got the ceramide mask, which is $3, and also a sample of, it's not in here, so I guess they still do it, like they do like an additional of like a sample. So they did give me the Glam Glow, but I did get six items, but that's because the other one is a mask, and the IPSY Glambag is also 6 items because it has that bag. Let's see, let's count it. So the mask is $3, and the gloss is $16, so that's $19, and the mascara is $47, just counting the full size. I didn't even count this as a full size. I don't exactly know if this is a full size. It might be, so I didn't even count that, and that's how much it is. But if you think about it, the brands that's on the Allure boxes, like I do know this two right here. I'm not too sure about the other ones, but these two samples right here are cool because I know these brands. Over here on the other side though, on IPSY, I just know about Nomad because I've been getting that since from before. That's always usually their eyeshadow that they give you on the samples, and also for the Kaleido, but I think it's the IPSY side is more of the indie brands, I should say. But other than that, they're both good. I mean, it's a matter of which one you want to keep. Are you a bougie person? I'm just kidding. Because I swear, Allure boxes really does have like good brands. Like I said before, I got a La Mer sample from an Allure box. I've never seen that in IPSY or even in BoxyCharm. See, it's mostly the indie brands, but now, like I said, they've been upping up their game. They've been getting good brands as well, and not just mostly skincare. And this time they're actually doing a lot more makeup, so that's cool. That's the only one thing that I'm on the Allure box. They can sometimes lean towards just the skincare with a little bit of, you know, the makeup. Like you saw it right now, like I got mask and this cleanser and, you know, the toner, but the other one I only got one moisturizer and everything else is considered as the makeup things. It's really a preference. The only reason like I prefer the Allure box is because a lot of, like I said, the brands that they have, it's usually the brands that I can't really afford. So I do want to try them out, even just for a sample size, you know. Anyways, that's it for me today, and I hope you got an idea of which one you know to subscribe. Let me know if you do want to see some spoilers for the Allure box. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see that kind of spoiler, and if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Baboosh. Thank you.